Hi.
ओके भाई वो थे ना तो आई
Some say hi, some say bye.
यार वो मैंने कल जाके मेरी जान रहेगा उसके
They don't call it Monday morning to here or Sunday morning to here. Yeah, she was. Yeah, I went to bed at 12. No, then we went back. That I went to join them. We were out. Yeah.
How was your market visit yesterday?
Good.
Yes. How many bands did you have? Two nice ones and how many not nice?
I have two like
This is the Goldland. Goldland Connect Gold Shop. This is new one.
Oh, okay.
Middle part. It's so you can taste it too far. And then I
So you know,
my mom.
you know,
I went yesterday night, but it was not enough time.
She said that's all you got in me.
So I was planning to see if I can find space today to go.
Yeah, I get the big. She said don't buy the small thing. I said no.
same as Goldland है तो आप duty free 15 days के लिए आएगा.
हाँ
होटल अपार्टमेंट लेगा हुआ. फिर उसमें क्या स्पेंड करना है ना आगे पीछे.
या वो होटल अपार्टमेंट किस एरिया में रहता है?
सब जगह है. इधर भी है उधर भी है.
बराबर.
तो आपको ऑनलाइन में मालूम पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
IBS होटल है, नाउ होटल है. बहुत होटल्स है होटल अपार्टमेंट. वो सस्ता पड़ेगा.
IPS होटल?
IBS. ये 5 स्टार है ना.
हाँ.
ये तो एक्सपेंसिव.
That is not for normal people, right?
If you have,
Yeah, but like 500. Yesterday when we went there, that was $500. I think this was 580. Today where we were staying.
Oh my God, I got
that is for 345 per day.
what for?
IPS?
Yeah, IBS 350, sometimes 450. They also put up and down price depending on the guest, like how much vacancy is there.
Is there any other than IPS?
There are many hotels. If you check on the net,
Oh, okay.
Dubai, you'll get many hotels. Close by in the city if you want, outside you want, you will get it.
And then बाद में 1 week का जो टाइम आप कहते हैं उसमें क्या क्या होता है? 1 week में क्या क्या कहाँ जाने का?
आप सब 7 Emirates देख सकते हो ना one day.
7 Emirates.
सब देख सकते हो ना. One day you go Abu Dhabi, one day you go Alin, one day you go
Where?
Fujairah,
Fujairah.
East Coast side.
And then
Then safari is there. You can
Safari.
Take, yeah, safari, wild wadi.
Okay.
The kingdom of China. No, one day you can plan.
yeah.
You can make on your own or you can book one car. So one person will take you everywhere.
Yes.
So कार में कैसा रहता है बुकिंग?
थोड़ा जन per hour 100 dirham.
पर आवर
100.
180 कार में.
तो आपके साथ कंटिन्यूस रहेगा और आपको रिलैक्स रहेगा ना. कोई टेंशन नहीं है ना.
हाँ.
जल्दी जल्दी करके भाग के आ जाए. इसमें तो क्या है गाइड ने टाइम दिया आपको हाफ एन आवर यू हैव टू बी बैक.
Yeah.
अदरवाइज देन यू हैव टू टेस्ट टैक्सी.
Yes.
उसमें क्या आप रिलैक्स होके प्रॉब्लम नहीं. उसका नंबर आपके पास रहेगा. आप उसको बुलाओ फिर वो टाइम पे वो आएगा. जिधर छोड़ा उधर सबको पिकअप करेगा. तो उसमें क्या टाइम से सच्चा मिल जाएगा.
हाँ उसमें भागदौड़ नहीं रहती है.
ऐसा एक दो फैमिली आएगा तो ऐसा बस मिल जाता है.
जो आगे है ऐसा.
हाँ बस है ना.
हाँ.
छोटा वाला
छोटा वाला.
हाँ मिल जाता है. हाँ मिल जाता है. प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
So we need to get the hotel, right? And transportation. And how about the food?
It's up to you, know what you want. Because when you're booking in the hotel, you get half board. Breakfast is allowed, no?
Yes.
Rest, you have to eat outside only.
Okay.
So in that time, one person will take you one restaurant one day, another restaurant one day. So you can enjoy, different restaurants.
Yeah. And how about shopping? Where to go shopping?
Shopping, you have many. In the mall you have, Karama also you have, where you can bargain. Karama, Indian market.
What is called? Peramall. Peramall.
Each other
Karama.
Karama.
take
Karama.
care of their elders and
You can go there also.
And that's like an Indian bazaar.
बाजार है करामा एंड भारतभाई विच इज इंडियन टेक्सटाइल कल जो म्यूजियम के पास गए थे ना हम लोग
Yes.
हाँ वो इंडियन बाजार है
Okay.
तो उसके साथ गाड़ी में रहेगा तो आपको एक जगह छोड़ देगा
Yes.
and you can move 1 hour 2 hours whatever time and you will have Indian number Dubai number he will communicate with you he will say okay come at so and so place he'll come and pick you up
Yes.
तो कोई टेंशन नहीं ना आराम से फिर उसको बोलो भाई वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट लेके जाना वो लेके जाएगा
बराबर है.
और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है आप लोग तो उसको आर के सबसे बार्गेन करके देना है
Yes.
Almost like my dad has been, but we didn't have like a big dining area and like a family room. Yeah, it's
And when we go to store generally, do they charge more to tourists? No.
Everywhere there is fixed price. Only when Karama and Pardubhai where you can bargain.
I see.
So you should know the price from your home country. What you're buying like.
Okay.
It is reasonable or it is necessary to buy
you and mom.
all this. So you should know the price, what is there.
Correct.
Otherwise no use of taking it.
Yes.
Price in the mall it is fixed. Where Karama and Pardubhai, there you can bargain. But you should know.
But there are some store where you can trust with blindly, right?
Purchasing you cannot buy blindly, no? You
Yeah.
have to know the price. You walk around 2-3 shops and then you will come to know how much difference will be there.
Correct.
10-15, okay. 100-150, then it is too much.
Yes.
That you have to check. Then you should know what is the price in a home country. Otherwise, no use of taking from here to there, customs and all this. No use. But electronic is cheap over here. Here in Singapore.
I see.
Electronic is cheap over here in Singapore.
In gold, do you know generally how much making charges they charge? Approximately, like average.
No, making charge, that's why you can bargain in the making charge, no?
Yes.
Making charge will not be like, they will say 10, 12. They say it is from Indian made, machine made and this and that. So on the making charge only they make money, no?
Yes.
That time you have to bargain in that.
That's what happened yesterday night.
Because gold price is fixed everywhere, no? They cannot change. So then the making charge, they will say it is handmade, machine made or anything else. They will say this much. Then you have to bargain. If you say 6, you have to say 4.
Yes.
Then you have to do it. Then if he likes, okay. If he doesn't like, then you go to other shop. There are many shops. And then if you really want and he doesn't reduce the price, then you have to buy it.
Correct. It's all of the emotions.
Yeah.
You feel like you are missing them. I want it now. But you can get similar design also somewhere else too.
All shop will get
Yes.
same design, different design.
Yesterday when we went to store, I think in the same store, one person, when we asked to count, he counted 12% making charges, dirham. And then another person, when we asked him, he didn't know that other guy already counted. So he counted 8% making charges. And then we still did bargain. And me didn't get it because I counted like approximately making charges, how much he's charging me, and he was charging me $133 making charges total of 1600 value price. So I asked him to reduce little bit, but then we was bargaining and the shop got closed 10 o'clock or something. But then at night I did little research like how much they charge making charges, and And I was reading that it's depend on the design and how they make it. If it's made locally in UAE, then making charges is around 4 to 5 dirham per gram.
Yeah.
And if it's made in India or somewhere, then its making charges is like 7 to 13 dirham per gram.
Yeah.
But compared to that calculation, when I compare what they was charging to us yesterday night, it was too much higher than that.
That's all, So this is not like you go and just, you need to spend 2-3 hours.
Yes,
There's no, that is like, you collect a small pendant or like that. Chain, bracelet and all, then you should know the price.
correct.
We are just showing you where it is. So that when you are coming with your family and all, you can take that. It is like that.
I don't understand what you're saying, so I guess that's part of it.
Yeah, I can't distinguish anything. I can't even distinguish Arabic versus.
Yeah, I couldn't tell you.
I can distinguish when the baby.
No.
Sorry, what are you saying?
For gold, ladies can bargain. Gents cannot bargain.
Yeah, but I noticed one thing: when ladies are shopping it, they get in emotion, like attraction. So they tell the shop owner that he wants it and we are more interested in this, right? So the other person gets signal saying, doesn't matter what you do, they are going to buy it now.
That is not a way.
This is my mom and my.
You have to see and ignore. You say you want to buy, then you know, then you'll demand.
Yes.
Your aunt is with the glasses.
You have to, you have to stop telling him like, you want to buy this or not. Just neglect from there, just go other shop, 2-3 shop, and then if you are getting that same price, then you can come back.
Correct.
So,
If the shop owner come to know that okay, you are in love of this item, then he's going to take benefit of that.
yes.
She's 13. She looks very adult.
See, like yesterday I was on my bed, she's that's the time. See, my mom's wedding pictures. This is
You don't want to give me Franca's mobile number? Your 5699 3108.
no, but that was so still we have time. It's tell them like so, but still say you don't do anything.
3103.
3103.